What's up, guys? Mark Augustine here. And in this video, I want you guys to stay to the end because what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get some confirmation on some strategies that Ben and I talked about in a video that we did together. And they actually work because I got a sale. I listed 100 items, which should take like 5 or 10 minutes, and one of the items sold. So that's just confirmation that what the exact change or tweak of in how you list works, and basically this will give us some information on what it takes to sell within 24 hours. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. So if you haven't seen the interview I did with Ben made about $1,500 in profit his first month with Ecom Sniper, and I'll put a link in the description to that video. And basically, if you follow exactly what Ben has done, you'll have similar results because he goes into detail about the type of filters he used, the requirements, and so on. So let me just jump into my computer and explain a little bit in detail what I'm talking about. So let me share my screen. Right, so this is my listings page, right? So I'm going to go on the first. What I did, I ordered the items by listed. So you can see there's one item listed April 8th. There's 100 items on that page. Still April 8th. And then it goes to April 7th. So there's about 110 items I listed on April 8th. And if I go to orders, one of these items have sold. This item sold, it was listed yesterday. 36 bucks. I could see it sold for 22. I might make $6 or $7 in that sale. But what it takes is this. So you want to go to the big differences. The exact process is you go to eBay, and I was doing exactly this. So I went to eBay and I searched bedroom wardrobes, and I made a sellers list. And then once you scan the sellers, you want to make sure that the sellers, you want to only take items, you want to scan items that sold within 21 days. But when you go to the actual scan results, you want items that sold at least 3 times. And if you list 100 items like that, you could expect to sell an item right away. I mean, that is just, if you list 100 items a day, you would be selling one a day from the items you list, and then you'll have that cumulative, that kind of, what is the term I'm using? The snowball effect. So you'll get multiple sales, sales bring sales, the listings that get sales will be ranked, and that is exactly what you need to get sales. First, in 24 hours, you list 100 items, which should take you a couple of minutes using Ecom Sniper. If you have to do it manually, I don't know, but list 100 items and just stick to that every day. Anyway, guys, like the video, subscribe. In the comment section, we have a free course coming out really soon. In the comments, in the description, jump into our community and have a good one.